In 2026, autumn wall art is all the rage, and we've picked the coolest 5 pieces to showcase. We'll compare them based on style, value, usability, and durability. Links are in the description and first comment. Let's explore these fantastic autumn wall art pieces, starting with our first selection. Our first product is the AVOIN ColorLife Fall Pumpkin Home Sweet Home Throw Pillow Covers. This set of 4 pillows is ideal for any cozy autumn setup. Each pillow cover measures 18 by 18 inches, providing a perfect fit for your sofa or couch, enhancing your living space with warm fall vibes. The design features a combination of pumpkins and floral elements, making it not only festive but also versatile for different decors. Crafted from high-quality material, these pillow covers are both durable and comfortable, ideal for anyone who loves to refresh their home decor. They're an excellent choice for those looking for affordable yet stylish autumn accents, bringing charm to any room without breaking the bank. Overall, this set is a fantastic way to express your gratitude and celebrate the fall season, making it a worthwhile addition to your home decor. Next up, we have the YTSCFF Halloween Ghost Pearl Art DIY Kit with Frame. This kit is perfect for both adults and beginners who enjoy creative projects. Featuring a cute 3D pearl mosaic craft, this set adds a spooky yet charming touch to your fall home decor. The kit includes everything you need to create a ghost and pumpkin canvas art, making it a fun and engaging activity for the family. Its compact size makes it suitable for various spaces, from home offices to living rooms, while adding a unique handcrafted feel. For those who enjoy a hands-on approach to decorating, this kit offers excellent value, combining creativity with seasonal charm. In conclusion, the YTSCFF DIY Kit is a delightful way to personalize your autumn decor, ensuring a memorable and festive atmosphere. Our third product is the Fall Decorations for Home Rustic 'Tis the Season Pumpkin Sign. This charming sign is a must-have for any autumn enthusiast. With its rustic design and compact 5 by 5 inches size, it's perfect for adding a touch of fall to any small space. Its versatile style means it can be placed in various settings, from mantels to tiered trays, seamlessly integrating with existing decor. The sign's message of gratitude and celebration enhances the autumn ambiance, making it a thoughtful addition to holiday gatherings. Crafted with attention to detail, this piece offers great value and durability, ideal for those who appreciate handmade style decor. Overall, the pumpkin sign is a simple yet effective way to evoke the spirit of the season, adding warmth and charm to any room. Fourth on our list is the Metal Dragonfly Wall Decor Outdoor Garden Fence Art. This set of 3 pieces brings a unique touch to any living space. These hanging decorations are perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings, adding a whimsical element to gardens and rooms alike. The intricate design and vibrant color of each dragonfly make them stand out, offering a playful yet elegant aesthetic. Crafted from durable metal, they are built to withstand various weather conditions, ensuring long-lasting beauty. For those who love nature-inspired decor, these dragonflies provide a stunning way to express creativity and style. In conclusion, the Metal Dragonfly Wall Decor is an exceptional choice for those seeking to enhance their space with a touch of artistic flair. Finally, we have the Autumn Harvest Pumpkin Diamond Art Hanging Ornament Kit. This kit is a brilliant blend of creativity and autumnal charm. Featuring a DIY diamond art hanging sign, it's perfect for those who enjoy crafting their own seasonal decorations. The acrylic material ensures a vibrant finish, making it a standout piece for windows, homes, or garden walls. With its easy-to-follow instructions, this kit is ideal for crafters of all skill levels, providing a fun and rewarding experience. Those looking for a unique and personalized touch to their autumn decor will find this kit a valuable addition. To wrap it up, the Autumn Harvest Kit offers an imaginative and engaging way to celebrate the fall season, completing our list of truly worthwhile items.